Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to export contact numbers into Excel file in Android smartphone. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, go to Play Store application. Now search this. Now type the name of this application here, that is contact. So install this application into your Android smartphone. So I have already installed this application into my Android smartphone. So let's open it. So this application interface is very simple. Here you will see different options. For Excel file, just select the first one, that is XLSX, and you can also export it to CSV format or PDF format or BCF format. So select the first option to export your contact numbers into Excel format, and then tap here export contacts. So it's exporting your contacts. So after the export is done, you'll see this message which says successfully exported. So tap on open to view the exported file, which is in Excel format. You can see here all the details of the contacts has been converted into Excel file, and here I can see the names and mobile numbers. So this is how you can export your mobile contacts into Excel, or also you can convert it into PDF format also. So if you have a lot of contacts and if you want to convert it into Excel format, you can use this application. So that's it. If you like my video tutorial, click on the like button and subscribe it, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.